family, today we are going to do a tutorial on cutting long hair. The long hair look is and will always be considered timeless, with a guarantee of 100. Currently, these long hairstyles are super trendy, and if you give them a V-shaped layered cut that falls over your back, it will be a great success for your image. I want to inform you that this lengthy hair is currently in vogue, and if we also add a touch of movement, you will look like a girl with the coolest style worldwide. But remember, if you choose to rock long hair, it requires a great deal of dedication and care when it comes to keeping your hair looking beautiful and presentable.
Let's begin with Isabella's haircut. I would like you to observe how I am styling her hair. I am styling all of the hair in a forward direction because I want it to have a finish that is shaped like the letter B. She does not want to lose so much of her length, and with this technique even you can cut it yourself. I am going to cut straight about 10 centimeters off the length. You might think Betty is cutting too much, but once I let the hair down, you will see that is not the case. Once it is cut at 0 degrees, I am going to trim all the ends for a better fit. Right after that, I am going to break the hair tie. I take my first section from the front, find my guide and cut. If you notice, my first section was towards the front. For the following sections, I am going to comb them perfectly and bring them to the center of the face and cut off the excess. After finishing each section, I check for symmetry and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, I style the hair according to the desired look using appropriate products and techniques. It is important to communicate with the client throughout the process to ensure their satisfaction and make any modifications if needed. On the next side, I do the same procedure. If you all want long layers with a lot of movement and a cut that's very easy to do and also very precise, I recommend this type of cut. I am searching for a method to provide you with tutorials in a manner that minimizes the amount of difficulty you encounter. To conclude, I comb all of the hair towards the front. Additionally, I am searching for any loose strands, combing with great precision and cutting at a precise angle of 0 degrees. Here I am primarily seeking to join the pieces. I perform the identical procedure on the subsequent side. Please remember, it is of utmost importance to thoroughly inspect the haircut. Check as many times as necessary to obtain a truly precise cut.
I would like to express my thanks to all of you for following me and staying tuned to these tutorial videos, and simultaneously extend an invitation to them for my additional YouTube channel where I provide rapid suggestions on makeup, wardrobe, hairstyles, and various other topics. So I encourage you to subscribe to this channel and to Tix's channel.
Once all of the things are cut and checked perfectly fine, this girl is going to slick her hair back in one go without any hesitation or delay. I desire for you to witness firsthand how this cut fits. The hair is still very long, but now it has obtained a distinct shape. That is the aspect that you guys should consider when aiming to have such long hair on your head. Search for a hairstyle that possesses a cut, appears to have movement and has shape, because hair that is extremely long and lacks a cut, to be honest, does not look very good aesthetically. I am planning to create an inverted triangle shape in order to give this haircut a more youthful touch by incorporating bangs into the style. Observe how I flip my hair upward, making a cut of approximately 6 or 7 centimeters. I desire for you to witness the motion of my hand. This enables the hair to be styled in a manner that creates the anchovy appearance, which is also observed in layered haircuts, thus achieving the desired look. Currently, I am working on a section of hair that goes from one ear to the other, combing it in a forward direction and attempting to seamlessly blend all of the hair with the bangs. I grasp sections on the sides and bring them towards the center, then cut them at an angle to ensure that the bangs have a sense of continuity and do not appear disconnected or disjointed from the rest of the hair. Once the haircut is completed, it is of utmost importance to double check by taking sections from both sides and bringing them towards the center, making certain that they end up on the same side, thereby ensuring a symmetrical and balanced outcome. To be honest, I personally have a deep love for these cuts because if you leave your hair wet, let it air dry naturally, or use a blow dryer, they will give you a truly unique look and you can see yourself with a completely different image every time you style it, which is absolutely fascinating and allows for endless creativity. To give that magical touch to the hairstyle, I'm going to use liquid Sculpey. This gel is going to assist me in fixing my hairstyle, but in a completely natural way that looks effortless and uncontrived. Taking into account this girl, we will give her a blowout, lifting the layers upwards in direction. You must saturate your hair perfectly with this gel in order to make the hairstyle last longer, but with a great deal of movement. I would like you to carefully watch and pay attention to the way Kathy moves the dryer and brush in order to style these layers. Properly drying your hair is crucial to show off this amazing haircut in all its glorious splendor and ensure it looks its absolute best.
Here is the outcome of this cut for everyone. You can appreciate how she looks with a smooth movement, giving a fresh and vibrant touch to this girl's face. It is crucial to remember that very long haircuts are specifically designed for young girls, as this particular style complements their appearance and personality the most. Thanks for joining me, family, in this video. Remember, I am looking forward to your comments. They are really important to me.
Sending you a big hug and lots of congratulations.